We are doing question D on level 3 algebra 2023. Now, I find this question quite tedious. Find the values of x and y, giving that x and y are real, and 1 over x plus yi equals 1 minus 1 over 1 plus pi, giving your answers in terms of p, where p is positive, real constant. Now, you have to rationalize 1 over x plus yi left hand side as well as the right hand side. Okay, let's start with the left hand side. So LHS equals 1 over x plus yi. What you have to do, you have to times by a conjugate, isn't it? X minus yi. So x minus yi. So when I expand this, I have x squared plus y squared and x minus yi. If I split them into real part and the imaginary part, it will be x over x squared plus y squared minus y over x squared plus y squared I, right? And right hand side, which is 1 minus, so 1 can be 1 plus pi over 1 plus pi, right? So I rewrite this. So 1 can be 1 plus pi and minus 1, isn't it? I combine them. Now 1 minus 1 is 0, so pi over 1 plus pi. Now rationalize 1 minus pi, 1 minus pi. So what I've got is 1 squared plus p squared, isn't it? And the top one, I have to write real part first. So I would say plus p squared and then plus pi. Okay. So if I split them, I have p squared over 1 plus p squared plus p over 1 plus p squared I. Alright? Because the left and right are the same, I can say x over x squared plus y squared equals p squared over 1 plus p squared, isn't it? And then minus y over x squared plus y squared equals how much? P over 1 plus p squared. Alright, what is part? So we have to simplify this. I see, right hand sides, they are the same almost. One is p squared, the other one is p. So what if I times by p on both sides? So that one becomes minus py over x squared plus y squared equals p squared over 1 plus p squared, isn't it? So exactly same as this, right? Hence, I can tell x equals minus py. That's what I spot. Then I would cross multiply this right hand side. So back to this. So minus y times 1 plus p squared equals p times x squared plus y squared. And I will simplify and I'll use this, right? So I said minus y 1 plus p squared equals p times x squared plus y squared. All right. And I know x is minus py. So I can change this in terms of y and p, right? So minus y 1 plus p squared equals p. X squared is what? P squared, y squared, isn't it? Plus y squared. Now, I am going to expand this, both sides, I guess. Minus y plus p squared y, sorry. minus, isn't it? P squared y equals P cubed y squared. Yeah. No, actually, I can factorize by y squared. That's better way. And then I multiply p inside. I think it's better. So there, I can simplify y on both sides. So y squared, yeah, say p, y squared, p y squared, and then p squared plus 1. Yeah. You see 1 plus p squared, they are the same, right? I can simplify, right? So I have this. So, well, I can simplify by y. So what I have is py equals negative 1. So we are almost there. Y equals negative 1 over p. So 1 down. So I explained the y in terms of p. And second, I have to explain x in terms of p. So minus p, and y is what? Minus 1 over p. So p is gone, minus minus is plus, so 1. So x is 1, y is negative 1 over p. That should be the answer here. All right. I will see you next time. Bye.